can't get away from them. Hi folks, it's me. I'm currently in the Newborough Forest on the southwest coast of Anglesey, North Wales. It's the, what is it today? It's the 9th of July today. Beautiful summer's day, and just listen. There is nobody here. Granted, they're probably just on the beach. I'm aiming for Tamron Island with the goal of getting a shot of Tamron Lighthouse itself, which is a shot that I've never got before. Born and bred in North Wales, lived here all my life. I actually, for about 4 years, lived in Menai Bridge on Anglesey, and I've never been there to shoot. So, but today's the day. From the car park at Newborough Beach, you can pretty much just go straight onto the beach and walk along. But I'm actually walking along the path, along a bit of a track road, for a couple of reasons. One, it's a lot easier to walk on, much less effort. Two, through the forest there's a good chance of seeing some red squirrels, which I've not seen in a good long while, and they're my favourite animal, so why wouldn't I come this way? Honestly, this place has so much to offer photographically. You've got these coniferous forests here, you've got the Newborough Warren, which are sand dunes covered in marram grass. Off in the distance that way you've got the Thin Peninsula. There's just all sorts to shoot around here, but the main thing I'm after tonight is Tamron Island, which is there. The lighthouse, you probably can't see it, is sticking up over there, but I'm gonna hang around the woodland here for a little bit, get my telephoto lens out ready, ditch my bag, and just see if I can see any of my furry little red friends. Now, one issue here is it's been so dry recently, and boring as well. We've had no clouds for about 3 weeks, but it's been so dry that all these pine kernels on the ground of the forest so crunchy and loud that I'll be very lucky to get myself in a spot where I might see some squirrels. They'll hear me coming a mile away. I've just seen one. I was just watching my video back, the last one, and I've seen one going up a tree, but I was too slow to get it on camera. So I think I'm going to get my camera out of my bag now, ditch the bag, and just chill out for a little bit. I've got quite some time until sunset. Hopefully I'm just going to stay in one spot for a little while. They might well come a bit closer as well. So yeah, I'm happy. Well, I've been sat here for about half an hour or so now, just right in the middle of the woods. I've had some food, the mosquitoes have had some food, but no more signs of squirrel. So I've got the telephoto out, so I'm shooting with the D750 and Tamron 70-300, DJI VC, USD, all that. It's a decent lens. But yeah, I'm gonna start heading towards the beach slowly. I'm gonna keep the camera in my hand, so if I do see anything, I'm ready. I've got it there. See you in a bit. So, I'm at Llanddwyn Island, looking lighthouse and the cross right behind me. Take a couple of shots just with the telephoto, just as the light was really nice, glowing on the side of the lighthouse. The sun is just peeking down over the horizon now. Yeah, it's nice just to look at times, really. Also, I have a drone now, so I've just been flying that, which is great fun. Chatting to a few of the other photographers here, and a lot of them are here for the Milky Way, the galactic centre, which apparently around midnight, 1 o'clock, will be going straight up right behind the lighthouse. So I'm very tempted to stick around. So 2 hours later, I'm still here on Llanddwyn Island. Yeah, I'm waiting it out. I'm going to try and capture the Milky Way. I'm trying not to walk around too much right now because with this light in my face I can't see a thing. But as you can probably make out, there's still a little bit of light in the sky on the horizon. So just approaching the end of the twilight period. But yeah, as I say, there's a few different photographers here. There's a fellow from Manchester way, there's one from Cardiff, there's a young lad here with his parents from Switzerland, here to try and get the same Milky Way shot. Yeah, it's a very popular destination for photographers. As you can see, the sky is so dark, There's a little bit of light pollution to the south over the water, come from Carnarvon that way, but other than that, there's nothing here. So yeah, these night sky images should be superb. Right then, so it's 20 past 1 now, and we're finally going home. We're all going home. There's about 6 of us in total. None of us have ever met before. Yeah, we decided, especially if the tide's high, it's best that we're all together. So, safety first. I'm pretty happy with some of these shots so far, from what I've seen on the back of the camera. I've been shooting tonight on the Nikon D750, which I'm dead happy with so far. Full frame, the low light is superb. I've also just this week got the Tamron 24-70 2.8 G2 lens. And this is my first real attempt with using it. I think they're all waiting for me. I think they know I hate talking in front of people. So I'm going to catch up. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, all that if you want to. I'll see you in the next one. I was.
All we could see was your face.